What's up, everybody? It is Dankamyouknow, and I am back with another video. And what I'm going to be doing today is an apartment tour. I've had a lot of people comment and ask me about my entire setup, so I just decided to do an entire apartment tour, and this is as of November 2020. So I'll take you on a little tour and show you all of the technology within my apartment and other stuff. And also make sure you stick around till the end of the video. I'm gonna go over details for the video I'm gonna be making for the 1,000 subscriber special, and also details on how to enter the giveaway. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get into it. So let's start this apartment tour off by seeing if anybody's home. Oh, wait, this is my apartment. So open the door and we are greeted by my two cats, Fred and Daphne. They're both about 1.5 years old. We got them a little over 8 weeks when they're 8 weeks old. And they're both little cuties. And we just rearranged, so a lot of the decor you see doesn't really line up with where it is. Like that painting's way too low, but we just moved those bookcases over there. And the TV used to sit over here, so the top of the TV used to sit pretty much right below that shelf, but we're gonna put some stockings up here soon for Christmas. And here's my big Costco L couch. This is where we spend a lot of time. And these are all of actually my books. My girlfriend really got me into reading, so between Goodwill and a place here called Half Price Books, I actually picked up almost all of these for pretty cheap. And then just a brief look at some of them. Like one of my favorite series, The Witcher. There's all 8 books down there. And I'm really into collections and series, so I got a lot over there, and I've only got about maybe 1/4 of this read, if that. So I got a lot of reading to do. Daphne. There she is. All right, so let's move on to where a lot of the focus is, majority when we're in here. So if you didn't know, I used to console game only, but I still do quite a bit of console gaming. I really enjoy just sitting on the couch and playing a good role-playing game, a game with a good story, and I only just switched to PC. I had one about 3 years ago that I used to game on a lot, but I mainly play on my PS4. And if you want to know what kind of games I'm playing right now, I'm playing the Ghost of Tsushima, which is fantastic, and I should have got this the day it came out, and it is extremely good, but I just started playing it. Shadow of War was free on PlayStation Network, haven't even tried it yet. I mainly play Rocket League on PC, but my girlfriend wanted to try it out, so I downloaded it for PS4. Both of the Last of Us games were fantastic. I loved both of them, even though number 2 got a lot of hate. Bloodborne, Control, Death Stranding was really boring and slow for me. Days Gone was fantastic. God of War, Horizon Zero Dawn, probably my favorite game ever. Red Dead 2, of course. The Witcher 3. My girlfriend loves The Sims 4. And Uncharted. Some of the games I like to play on my PS4 when I want to do some lazy couch gaming. And you can see my Days Gone wallpaper up there. Alright. So, as some of you might know, I've been playing guitar for quite a while. And I got some acoustics up here. There's a Fender 12-string and a Taylor 6-string. That's the one I play the most. And my brother got me this for my birthday. And it's a cool little ukulele, which I'm learning how to play. And then if I ever need to, I do have my Sony PlayStation headset up here if my girlfriend's maybe reading in the room. So I'll just throw that on. And I got a Vizio soundbar, a Vizio 65-inch TV, which is 4K. And then I also have a Nintendo Switch. And mainly for Switch, I played Zelda Breath of the Wild is one of my favorites. Hyrule Warriors is coming out soon, so I'll be playing that. And I'm not going to show you the kitchen, but here's a quick look. It's It's kind of tacky to show you. And of course I have the dishwasher going right now, so it's probably making noise in the background. But yeah, here's my living room. I spend a lot of time out here. There's a lot of IKEA stuff you'll find throughout this entire apartment. But yeah, a nice place to chill. My cats like to hang out here. So let's head back down towards the gaming room, we'll call it. Here's my long hallway. We got the kiddie bathrooms down there to the left. I'm not going to show you the bathroom or the master bedroom. It's probably the most boring master bedroom you'll ever see. It's literally just a bed, a couple dressers, and a TV that never gets used. But let's go ahead and let's head into where the magic happens, the other magic. Open this up, and at first glance, here's my setup. And of course, my cats follow me wherever I go. But this is my inversion table, and it basically lets you hang upside down and decompresses your spine. It's one of the best things I've ever bought, and I use it almost daily. And then first, we're greeted by all of my girlfriend's books here on the left, and she just got me this calendar. I told her to pick me something up when she just rented half-price books, and she got this gigantic kitty calendar, and I thought it was hilarious, so I decided to hang it up a little bit early. But we threw some LED lights on her bookcases, and this is her IKEA chair, and she'll read behind me as I'm gaming. I don't know if any of you guys have ever seen Parks and Recreation, but she got me this for my birthday a while ago, and honestly I find it kind of creepy. But it is hilarious. It's Ron Swanson from Parks and Recreation, one of my favorite characters. So those are all of her books. And then over here we have my ring light, and my green screen is kind of in the way of all this right now, but I kind of wanted to show you my streaming setup once I get into it. But this is my ring light that I use for holding my phone. I record with my iPhone 7 Plus. And this is my ring light I use for lighting. I have an HP printer down there. I've got my pedal board for all my electric guitar stuff. And then I also have my Marshall amp. It's a Marshall JCM 900 for any guitarists out there. And I've got a power supply down here. Got a little tray. And then as far as my guitars go, I've got a Fender USA Strat. One of my favorites. It's got a humbucker in the bridge. This thing screams. And then if I want to play some down-tuned stuff, I have a cheaper Ibanez RG. That is tuned to, I believe it's drop C, D standard. Cool guitars. Alright, so let's get around this green screen. And if you're ever watching me stream or any videos online, I'm mainly using this green screen. And it's a web around. And you can see it attaches down there, and I kind of tuck it into my chair. But now let's get to the main setup. So when I'm streaming or whenever I'm using my computer, this is mainly what it looks like. This is kind of my point of view. I'll have my game, whatever I'm playing, over here. And then on my left, I kind of have like a little four square. And here is my OBS. It's not focusing. There we go. And you can see if I put my hand in front of the camera, and the green screen's not behind me right now, so it's not getting picked up. But I always have Discord up there. I'll have YouTube. And then I always have Ryzen Master open, looking at my temperatures. Sitting at about 51 degrees right now with a lot of stuff going on. And as far as the monitors, they are both MSI 1440p 27-inch curved monitors. And they are the MAG 27CQs. And they are mounted on a Amazon monitor arm mount. It's a Chinese brand company. I don't even want to try to pronounce it, but I think it was HUAWE, something like that. So I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. And I use an Xbox controller for some games. I got my little Super Mario mug. It's probably, there we go. And then for computer speakers, I use Bose Companion 2s. And you guys are all very well familiar with my Omen. And then as far as audio, I use a Yeti Blue mic. Excuse me, a Blue Yeti, I guess, mic. And it's hooked up to their compass arm. It actually came as a package deal. So it came with the shock mount, the boom arm, and then I bought this pop filter separate. And the desk is from IKEA. And it's going to be the Alex drawers. And on top of their, I believe it's their longest tabletop that they offer. Then over here, I always have water when I'm gaming or using my computer. I've got my indoor bonsai tree. I've got my Walking Dead figurine over here, Daryl Dixon, rocking his crossbow. And as far as peripherals go, I use a Logitech G915 10 keyless keyboard. And it is wireless and it is fantastic. I love this keyboard. And then I also use a G Pro wireless mouse. And I just picked this up about a week ago, and so far it has been great. I came from a G305, and that thing started to act up a little bit, but it is almost 2 years old, I think. So I picked this up refurbished off of Amazon, and it has been great. And you can see the lights between them are synced, so they kind of color wave between the same colors. And then as far as a headset goes, I also use a Logitech G533 wireless headset. And this mic doesn't get used because I have the Blue Yeti, but you can say I'm a bit of a Logitech fanboy. And then behind the setup, these are acoustic panels, and these are the cheap ones off Amazon. I like to think that they kind of work, but they're more just for looks, but they should keep reverb down in the room a little bit, but I don't think they work too well. And then you can see Fred over here staring me down. He's wondering why the window isn't open. He wants to look out. He's like, dude, what are you doing, bro? But yeah, this is my setup in here. You guys have all seen a million times. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot. If you're gaming on hardwood, you guys have to pick one of these up. It's basically a footrest, and after hours of gaming, my legs get tired of just sitting on the hardwood. So this little memory foam footrest really helps with my leg soreness and any kind of sciatic pain I get in my back, because I'm getting to be an old man and everything's sore all the time. And then also over here, I've got a little vinyl crate with some vinyls, these are training guides for my work, and then some guitar books actually. But yeah, that's gonna do it for my setup. Here's an overall view. And it keeps going out of focus, but yeah, guys, this is the current setup for 2020. Well, that's going to do it as far as the apartment tour goes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like always, if you have any questions or concerns about anything mentioned in this video, please comment down below. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a like rating, and please subscribe if you are new. And as far as the video I'm going to be doing for the 1,000 subscriber special, it is going to be a subscribers setup compilation where you guys submit your setups, and then I'm going to put it into a big long video where I do a little bit of a commentary over it and kind of judge and, you know, comment on your guys' setups. So if you'd like to be featured in that video, what you're going to do to enter is go into the Discord link that is linked in the description, and then I'm going to have a dedicated channel to where you can enter 2 pictures of your setup in landscape mode with a brief description of your setup, and then I'm gonna mash them all together, and that's gonna be the video for the 1,000 subscribers. So if you'd like to be featured in that, please head to the link in the description and then find the channel to submit your setups. And as far as the giveaway goes, I'm gonna be giving away this Noctua D9L air cooler once we reach 1,000 subscribers, and I am gonna announce the winner in the 1,000 subscribers special setup video. So if you'd like to enter on this video you're watching right here, please comment down below which system you have and the current mods that you've currently done to it. And then also below that, write out Dankamyouknow. I'm gonna use a random comment generator to select the winner, and that will be announced in that video. So yeah, make sure you guys comment on this video here to be entered into the giveaway. Well, I'm really looking forward to the next video and you know, to keep on building with you guys, and I appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me in all the comments and likes and views. It's been fantastic, and I'm really looking forward to the future. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.